Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got some White Peak Trading Company, and it's a set of a bunch of shirts. So I'll show you guys what we got here. Open it up. And they've got them packed in here good. I think a lot of these places like to pack things in so tightly. So it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts. And I'll just try the black one here. You can hear the crunchiness of it because of the little paper. I have my microphone down here. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. But this is it here. It's a nice looking shirt. It's like a dry fit one. Got a size large. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So that's going to give it some good stretchiness here. So let me try it on. Okay, so here's my 190 pounds wearing the black shirt. And it's nice and dry fit and comfortable. And then I'm going to just put on here another one here for you. So this one here is, I don't know what color this is, I'm colorblind, but it's cool. I like this color. It looks cool. So there, they fit really nice. They're nice, they have a light feel to them, so great for exercising, for anything. Goes down a good length, it doesn't go all down too far. You know, sometimes those ones go way down far, then it makes it weird and bunches up. So these are good fit. Good one here, nice sleeves, good collars, everything's good. So there's those two. Let's try on this one here. You see it comes in all these different colors here. You get a whole set. I think you can choose different color sets, but this is the colors that I chose. So this is it here. I like this, nice and bright. So cool. And let's try on this other one here too, why not? So you see, get a whole variety. So these are great. And this is the one I'm gonna keep on for the day. So these are awesome, thumbs up for sure.